Test, test. Okay, go. Hello, everyone. My name is Danielle Sheehan, and I'd like to introduce my teammates, Mallory Payne, Ashley Hart, and Nicole Bates. And we're going to demonstrate Grasshopper, a bug reporting module and developer dashboard for third-party web applications. Grasshopper consists of two components, an NPM module that a web developer will install in their application, allowing end users to report bugs they may encounter, as well as a dashboard developers can utilize to manage issues that are reported from their app. For instance, Dream a Little Dream is an online store that is struggling with site issues and has installed our module to better manage customer-reported bugs. A user selects the pencil icon and can draw on their screen, as well as take a screenshot of their current view. This, included with front-end user information, is then sent to our database, and a developer can analyze the data reported and manage issues with their development team. Next, Mallory is going to discuss the bug report that a developer witnesses on their dashboard.
Thanks, Danielle. When a developer logs into the dashboard, she can see the details of the bug just created. Here we can see the user's screenshot and annotation. Below are the list of properties collected from the user at the time the bug was reported. Grasshopper collects properties like the browser version, user comments, and console messages. To collect the console messages, we created a function that intercepts and gathers all of the console logs, warnings, and errors within the developer's application. These messages can further assist the developer in pinpointing the issue at hand. Developers can choose to manage the bugs directly on the dashboard, or she can create an issue in GitHub. And now I'll pass it off to Ashley to talk about more of the dashboard.
Application owners manage bugs by launching the single app view. This will show all of the bugs that are reported for a particular application on the left side of the screen, in addition to charts that show trends in that data. These trends allow a developer to see, for example, on the bugs per day chart, a spike in bugs on July 10th. That might signal that there's a problem in the app that a developer needs to subsequently investigate. Our end user side is powered by HTML to Canvas, and our developer dashboard is powered by HighCharts. When someone wants to use this, they install the NPM module into their application, which includes the bundled HTML to Canvas functionality. They'll add a few lines of code into their app, and then whenever their end users go to report a bug, all of the properties we've collected, the screenshots, etc., are sent to our SQLized database and then pushed over to our Angular dashboard, which is updated in real time. And Nicole will now tell you about HTML to Canvas.
When we first started exploring the idea of taking a screenshot of the end user's view when creating a bug report, we were thinking about using a Chrome extension. However, with a Chrome extension, that would depend on the end user downloading something extra. And we wanted the reporting process to be as seamless as possible. So we continued our research and we found a library called HTML to Canvas, which we were actually able to include right in our NPM module. When activated, HTML to Canvas traverses the DOM and takes a copy of each element and their defining properties, and then draws a copy of each of those elements onto a blank canvas, thus actually creating a facsimile of the page and not an actual screenshot. So that is the Grasshopper bug reporting application. We thank you all for coming out, and we welcome questions and further discussion.